Hey guys, welcome to my channel Living in Bangalore. My name is Smita. If you've already subscribed to my channel, welcome back to my channel and thank you for supporting me. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon and support me in this journey. It would be of great help. Finally, I got this planner, the Little Champs planner. If you haven't yet seen my reviews, please check the link in the description box below. I have reviewed around I think around 6 planners if I'm not wrong. I've given all the planner details in that video. Please make sure that you check the kids planner first impressions video. And with that, I have finally decided to buy the Little Champs planner. The main reason for this is as you have seen in the previous video, the first two planners that I showed you were just the to-do list, the basic one. This was for the next level. There was another one next level with the goals and all those things. Now the book came well packed actually. I have removed the packing because my daughter was too excited to see it and she has already written her name. So I said, okay, fine, no problem. I will just do a review and then give her the book. So this was how it came. It's come with a free bookmark saying thank you and just a little short message on thanking for purchasing their product. So this was the bookmark, and when you open this book, the first thing is this planner is dedicated to you. You are a creator who's going to bring value to the world. So this is the name. You have to write the child's name. After this, the first page, there is a nice explanation actually for new kids who are writing this for the first time. It's a very nice explanation. They have written how to use this planner, how to write affirmations. Make sure affirmations consist of only positive words. Affirmation should be in the present tense even if untrue. So they have given a few examples of affirmations for the kids who are writing it for the first time. If they don't know what to write, parents can guide them, but yeah, there are also examples. How to write down your activities, prioritize your activities. 2 smileys given, so there's one smiley and one sad smiley. Then how to write gratitude list. I'm grateful for the chocolate which my friend gave me, so that's really nice. So they have told you how to write the gratitude list. Then there is doodle space. There's a small empty space where children can draw or write anything. A note to parents. Do remember that there is a beautiful message in every scribbling of your child. Yeah, that's true. If you just store what your kids write, you get, after some time when you see that, you really get back your memories and you feel really good about it. Then color the glasses according to the water intake each day. So your child can color the glasses. Outdoor activity, color the stars based on the number of hours played. Okay, in my previous video I said I don't know how to use this. How are you going to use this? Number of activities or number of hours. So they have written number of hours. So every hour they play outdoor activity can give them 1 star. They can just color one of the stars. Today I am, the smiley has to be completed by child representing his or her mood. So if it is a happy mood, then you can just give a smiley. If the day didn't go that well, then they can just put a sad symbol. Then calendar. At the end of the book there are 2 calendars. There are 2 uses in this calendar. One is coloring and the other one is noting down important tasks. For example, exam schedule, appointments, meetings, project submission, birthdays, etc. Okay, I don't know how to use this actually. I'll just show you in a minute. Now, while coming to the first page, after the explanation, they have shown today. So you give the date, wake up time. So I'll just give an example. If I'm writing for my daughter, or if my daughter is writing, it can help you this way. I'm writing it in pencil because if my daughter sees this, she's going to ask me why did I write it. So I'll just write it in the pencil so I can erase it. You can give them some sketch pens or something colorful for them to keep them interested. So today's date, I will write today's date. Then wake up time, say 7 a.m. My activities. So you can start writing with brushing and having breakfast, but I somehow feel these activities are done every day. There's nothing like you skip it. But yeah, drink water in the morning. Drink water. This is the first task in the morning, which I generally give them water in the morning. but they can still write drinking water in the morning. Then as usual they will brush their teeth, they will have breakfast, and after that, after breakfast, what are they going to do? So then they have make bed, which many children miss out. So if you think making bed is important for them, then you can just write there, make the bed, so they can either wake up and do the bed, or they can have their breakfast and make the bed. After they make the bed, maybe you can give them something to write. So if they have nothing, if they have some write notes or some handwriting book, it could be some practice writing, it could be some notes or handwriting. If they have a project, you can write it as start project. Then probably study something, so read a book, say at least 10 pages of any story book or any book. Depends on how old your kid is, you can write the number of pages. Then around in the evening you can also write. For the evening you can also write play outside. And last thing in the night maybe you can just write finish your planner. So this can be a reminder for them to write their planner every day. So with this, they can put smiley, either they can color it with some yellow crayon, yellow sketch pen, or they can even stick pictures. Actually, sticking of stickers is much easier. With this planner you don't get any stickers, but I'm a teacher and I have lots of stickers with me. They can use anything. They could use a smiley here, or they could use any other stickers, heart, any sticker to stick here, which makes them more interested in completing the planner. Then I am grateful for a great morning, food I ate today, what else? I'm grateful for, maybe for the day they have got something, they must have got a gift, for the gift of a planner. So they can write if they've got any gift for the day or anything else. I'm grateful for a happy day. So even this could be an example. Next, coming to affirmations. Affirmations is whatever they feel they need. So I am lovable. Any other affirmations? I am lovable. I believe in myself. I will complete all my work today. I will complete all my work. So these are small simple affirmations. You can help them in writing this. Outdoor activity, depending on the number of hours they have played. Again, you can change it according to your, it could be per hour, or it could be per activity, or maybe it could be per half an hour, whatever, depending on the way your child is for the day. You could use the same way for the whole of the book. So outdoor activity. Water intake, they need to just color this. As they keep drinking water every glass, they can color every glass. So here it's just five cups. If you want more, you can just draw a cup and ask them to color it. So if they've had an extra cup of water, so they can color it by themselves. Next is doodles, notes or sketch your thoughts. They can do any of the doodling or sketching, drawing something, some activity they can just do. They can stick some picture, anything of their wish. Next is bedtime. So bedtime, if I write here 9 p.m. So they can write what time they're going to sleep for the day. And today I am either happy, sad, laughing, whatever. They can finish this for the day. So this is preferably, if you start from the beginning here, this is all in the morning to be completed. Today, wake up time, my activities. I am grateful for is at the end of the day. Affirmations is in the morning. So this portion, that is this part, this half part, as well as the affirmation part, can be written in the morning. The remaining grateful for is actually in the night. Outdoor activity and water intake is throughout the day whenever the child is able to do it. and this part is all in the night. So I am grateful for, so the last part of this page and half of this page can be done in the night. The rest, this one is in the morning, affirmations are in the morning. This can be done throughout the day because they keep drinking water. So the remaining is for the night. This book I felt was a great option because you have a lot of affirmations and gratitude space. So that is one thing what I liked in this book. My activities is also nice because you get to give smileys and sad faces for the completed and incompleted tasks. So this, at this end, you have the review of the day. You can even write something here, that is space for any notes that your child can use it for, or you can just review the day by smiley or a sad face. So the whole book is completely only about this. There is no other pages, except at the end I saw there are around 3 pages like this. These 3 pages, this we can color. There are 3 nice cute pictures, but the remaining I don't know what is this layout for. Maybe you can use it for, maybe your child can use it for the exam timetable or any other thing, some project work, but I really don't know. It just says Monday to Saturday and you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, around 15 weeks. So I think depending on every week, they can just write their timetable, either the timetable or they can write their schedule or the project details, submission dates, anything. So these 3 pages can be used in your own way. So this is it, and there is a free bookmark. I thought this was useful for the kids because they learn how to use gratitude and affirmations. They can use them to thank somebody, to say something good about themselves, and also understand themselves better. And this is the last page. Very cute panda little champs planner. I'll put the link in the description box below in case anyone, if you want to check this out, you can check it. I'll just give the Amazon link because it's more easier to buy it from there. It just comes, I got it in one day. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all again super soon with the next video. Bye guys.